It's not uncommon for doors to make marks on the walls in your home. Whenever someone quickly opens a door, it might hit the wall. Doors open and close all the time, causing that specific part to lose its paint, bruise, and break, which is noticeable and looks bad. That is why today's video is going to be about a DIY project for making a door stopper that will hide this broken part and stop doors from crashing into your wall again. For this DIY method, you are going to need a glue gun and a bottle cap. You will also need double-sided tape. Let's go through what you will need to do once you have all of these things. Once the glue gun is hot enough, you can use it to fill up the inside of a bottle cap with glue. Make sure to go all around the cap's inside and fill it up all the way to the top, just as we did here. After the bottle cap is filled like this, set it aside for a while so it can dry up. You can see now that the glue is completely dry and hardened. Now you need the double-sided tape, so cut out a small bit of it. After that, you need to put this piece of tape on the other side of bottle cap that does not have glue. Make sure that the top of the bottle cap is fully covered by tape, and then use a knife or cutter to get rid of all excess tape on the side so that the cap has a clean look to it. Once you do these things, the door stopper will be ready. So, now we are going to show you how effective this little thing can be as a door stopper. First of all, you need to check exactly what part of your wall the door is hitting when it opens fully. Once you know that, peel the double tape off from the top like we did, and place the bottle cap on the part where the wall is being damaged because of the door. Now you can see how the DIY door stopper we made stops the door from bashing against the wall, making sure that the wall does not get damaged and no paint comes off. Plus, this will also stop the door handle from being damaged on one side. Hopefully you like this DIY guide. Subscribe to Hooked on Tool and give this video a like if you want some more guides like this one.